Guys, it is a icy night here in the Arctic blasted wasteland of South Austin, Texas, bouncing off the walls. I have failed in the Alex Jones challenge to blather on for 3 hours. I tried to, I think I made it about 2.5 hours ranting today, making myself hoarse. And so I finally decided to see what has Alex been ranting about while I have been ranting all day. What is on Alex Jones's mind? And guys, you know, I talk a lot of trash about Alex Jones, but this is the reason that Alex Jones, my fellow Austinite and Doomsday Prophet, although we swim around in different areas of the Doomsday Prophecy pool, this is why I will never be as famous as Alex Jones, because he just comes up with better things to rant about. His rant today, and I am 100% cheering on Alex Jones, and this rant called Justin Bieber's Diaper Pants Hold the Secrets of the Universe. With a title like that, he's guaranteed to get a 500,000 hits. So what does Alex Jones have to say about Justin Bieber's diaper pants? Take it away, Alex.
Strip club, and the average person is obsessed because the media tells us to be.
Yes. Because you talk about
Go
it.
for
Tell
it.
us the I told her what to do.
Too.
Wait, tell us the story.
Well, first of all, I just Twittered.
No. Let's start with the fact that I'm sleeping on the plane and she wakes me up on the flight here going, I just went into the bathroom and squeezed my boob and all this milk came out because I forgot my pump.
It
I
was
packed
killing.
it. She's in the bathroom.
It happened.
No, so since then I've had this massive lumps in my boobs. They're rock hard. They're huge and rock hard. So
one is.
I just Twittered.
Which one? Just so we know what we're talking about.
This
it's
baby right here.
Okay.
And I said
to get like a hot compress
so
on
I
the way
have
here.
right now I
That's
have
why
a
we were
sticker
late.
on me that's tingly.
She put like a tiger balm on there.
And I can smell the menthol.
No, don't put a tiger balm on that. It's not meant for that.
It feels better, but I didn't know what else to
icy
do. So I
hot.
just Twittered, what do I do? And I just asked Kathy, I'm
what
like,
did you tell
tell
her?
me.
Well, when I had to do Miss America pageant 6 weeks after Cass was born, somebody told me, and it worked perfectly. If you want to wean, you put very cold cabbage leaves on you, very cold, right on. Then you wrap yourself in like an ace bandage, and some natural chemical is released from the cabbage, and your breasts, and the milk dries out.
It dries out. Wait, the milk dries out?
It dries up. You don't. Yeah.
Oh.
If you're finished,
done.
If you're
nurse
done,
it.
but you're not done.
And then I was crying too because I'm like, I don't know if I'm done. It's so I love it.
By the way, look at Parenting
No.
Take a look at Parenting Magazine.
Look at that cute baby.
Look at that.
She's gonna cry. Let's put it away.
Now, we hear he's not going to be part of the show now because
He's
now what
not.
happened? You felt that he didn't need the attention, or what?
Just the New York show, there was so many
craziness,
paparazzi. There was tons of people always outside of our hotel. People always knew where we were. It was just a little much, and I just said, Scott and I both were like, let's just not have him on camera.